Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken wings in barbecue sauce. So the first step is to separate the smallest part of the wing from the drumette and the wingette. So what you have left is the drumette and the wingette. You can store the other pieces to make chicken stock. Next, put your wingettes and drumettes in a container and start spicing. So start by adding salt, just enough for the amount of wings you have. Next, you're going to add some ginger powder. I just eyeballed them, but this would be just a pinch of each. Next, some black pepper. Next, some cumin powder. Next, we're gonna add some paprika, and you're gonna add some soy sauce as well. Lastly, you're going to add honey. Next, mix all your ingredients together and cover using cling film and store in the fridge for an hour. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and lastly 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So in a non-stick pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, heat it up and add your chicken drumettes and wingettes to cook. Make sure the heat is on medium, just to make sure they do not burn, and you give them time to cook inside. After about 3 minutes to 5 minutes of cooking, turn them on the other side to cook the other side. Just be careful not to burn yours. I slightly burned mine, but it's all well. After cooking all the sides evenly, remove your wingettes and drumettes from the pan and place them on a plate lined with a kitchen towel to soak in the oil. On a clean pan, add about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and leave it to cook for a few minutes on low heat. Then add minced ginger and leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the ginger has cooked, it's time to add your sauce. Remember the sauce you just mixed. Add in nicely and make sure the heat is still on low. Cook the sauce and you will need to add about half a cup of water to cook down the sauce. add back your wingettes and drumettes and leave them to cook for about 10 minutes. Remember, the heat should be on low just to make sure they cook well on the inside and the sauce reduces down to a thick paste. Keep turning the chicken wings to ensure they are well coated with the sauce, and lastly add some coriander leaves to garnish. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try it and let me know how yours turned out, and if you did, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing with a friend. Until next time, bye.